we're making the engine part, and we're going to ignore the hexagon here and the features here at first and just look at this section view. I want you to notice the outside largest diameter is 0.7 inches. The largest height is 0.15 inches, and then it's 1/8 of an inch to this surface here. So let's begin to draw this, and we'll start here. We're going to do a revolve again. We're going to go out that 0.7 inches divided by 2, and I can just type in divided by 2, and that's the distance there, 0.35. Then I'm going to go up from that origin point, and that is my 0.125 distance, my 1/8 of an inch. Now I'm going to come across that 1/8 of an inch, and when I come across, what you want to notice is here we have some distances of a radius of 0.1875 and 0.2875. And this is our 0.1875 distance. And then when I come back this way, I want to go ahead and I want to put a point up here. And I want this point to be that 0.15 distance up. And the distance from over here needs to be the 0.2875, which we get from the drawing right here. And now, if I go ahead and I connect from the end of this line up to there, that is the outside, except for I need an arc here. And really, the diameter of this arc isn't terribly important, the radius rather. But it looks about like 0.25 would probably work pretty well. So I'm going to start going this way, and I'm going to type in 0.25 and put that in, and that looks pretty clean. Now, what size you make that isn't too terribly important. Well, let's go ahead. Let's finish that sketch. We're going to revolve that sketch around this axis, and that is the basic layout of our engine. Now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get this hexagon put in. Let's put a sketch here on the top face. I like to rotate it so I'm looking at it like it appears in the view here. And I'm just going to go ahead and start by just drawing a vertical line here. And then I'm going to draw this line down to here and then over to here. I'm going to get that dot there and then go vertical again, get that dot there. And I'm not doing any sizes yet, but I know it's going to be about the right size just because of where it's located. And so if I make this the 0.125 that's on the drawing, and then I make this side equal to this side, yes, and then I dimension this side to be the correct distance away from here, which is that 0.285 in the drawing. This got ugly quick, but let's go ahead and horizontally line up the midpoint of this with the midpoint of that, and the center line with the midpoint of that. That'll help out a little bit. And then let's go ahead and put vertically, let's put this point above this, and let's put this point below this. All right. And now, if we dimension the distance from up here to down here to be our 0.25, and we make all 4 of these sides equal, I'm hoping this is going to work. Okay, so let's see if it'll let us do this. Equal here, good. These 2 equal together, excellent. And now that it's purple, we all know that all those are in place, and we can extrude cut that down the 0.1 inches that it lists on the drawing. After this, we'll put a sketch on the inside and we'll add these other features in the next video.